Once again, welcome to all of you in our channel PSIM. Before you buy any electrical car or electrical scooter, you must be know where is exact location of charging station. To know the charging station, its tariff, here one application is very useful, that is Tata Power EZ Charge. So now let us try to understand this application. So this one is Tata Power EZ. So first you have to log in with your email ID or password, or you have to create your login ID. Then as we see here in this tab, okay. So in this application different chargers are given, that is AC, DC, and these are the connector: AC type 1, CCS1, AC type 2, CCS2. Now when we click on AC type charger, so it will give you information about AC type charger, that is AC type 1, type 2, Bharat AC 001 AC plug point. Next one, that one is DC charger. So these are the DC charger: CCS1, CCS2, Bharat DC 001, Tesla charger, GB oblique T, CHA, DEMO. So now let us see this DC charger. So these are the DC charger in India. So these all are the DC charger in India. Now let us see its address. So this will give you information about its address. So it is loading, so it will take some time. Okay. So these are the DC charger in the Rajkot, MG Jai Ganesh Auto Car Private Limited. This is location uh, near Rajkot. Yes. So let us click on CCS2 type charger and see its tariff. This connector is currently in use. Okay. So there are charges rupees 135 for 15 minutes. This will this connector is so this is currently in use. So we have to see another, yes, this one, because someone is already using this charger, so it will not give any information. Yes. Okay, now connecting to server. Yes, service charges are 80 rupees. Now click on initial charges, initial charging. You must be keep at least rupees 150 in your wallet, that is minimum balance. Okay, is the charger connected to your car? Yes. After connecting charger in your car, click on yes. Now to you have to enter either amount or unit. So this is very simple to write amount, and this one is unit. So I will click on 5 kilowatt hour estimate. So it is loading. So these are the charging estimated about 90 rupees for 5 kilowatt hour, and then proceed after connecting charger to your battery car. So This is really charging procedure of CCS2. Now let us see AC charging point. Do you really want to cancel charging? Yes, I want to cancel. Back. Yes. Okay. Now here, these are the different type of AC charger. Generally, the DC charger is faster than AC charger. Okay, these are the AC charger. Now click on AC type 2. So something went wrong. Okay, please try again. Yes, these are near Ahmedabad. So click on that is AC type 2. Yes, yes. Each charger is connected to your car. After connecting charger in your car, click yes initial charging, and then final amount rupees 100, and this one is 100 rupees estimate. Yes, these are the estimate amount and estimate unit, that is 5.56 kilowatt hour, and then proceed. Insufficient balance, because I have not keep any balance in my wallet. So you have to keep minimum balance, that is 250 rupees. Earlier I said that is 150, that is not, but minimum balance that is 250 must be kept in your balance. So this will give you information about different type of AC charger and DC charger, location in your city or nearby your business center, or say any city in the India. Are you sure you want to exit? Yes. Once again, okay. Mm, click on this one, and these are the different type of connector. Click on DC, click on GBT. No charging station found. Yes. Next one. Okay, apply. Yes, these are the charging station, and yes, these are the different types of charging station. And click on this one, gives you information about its address. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day.